Hi there, guys. This is Paul Hay, ESL teacher on behalf of Comunidad Madrid. This is audio visuals for Cadalso de los Vidrios y Cenicientos. So I want to talk about something that's close to my heart, which is animal welfare. I'm currently in a situation where I found a dog that's being mistreated. It's locked up, and it has been locked up for about a year or so on a chain in appalling conditions. I went and fed it, gave it some food. Somebody comes once a week to fill up the food tray, and then that's it. In my country, I'm actually allowed by law to enter that property and cut that chain and free that dog. But unfortunately, we live in Spain, and unfortunately, Spain is renowned for being one of the countries that's most abusive to animals. You don't have animal welfare groups in this country that have power. Your Sopranos don't do anything, and Guardia Civil do nothing. So you know, I'm in a bit of a tough situation at the moment because the dog's going to die. And you know, so it's welfare, it's animal welfare. It's very, very close to my heart, and I'm desperately trying to get some sort of solution to be able to free this dog. But obviously, the mentality of the type of people that keep these dogs, it used to be, I guess, a working dog, a sheep dog of some description. He's got no use for it now, so he just locks it up and leaves it. So what I want from you guys today is I want you to tell me of a situation where you've come across injustice. Now, injustice means that the right things don't happen. So the correct things don't happen. So injustice to animals, injustice to anything really. So what I want from you guys is to be able to come back to me with an instance of injustice that you have found, that you've tried to help somebody, or you've tried to help something or do something for someone, and you've come up against resistance. So let's hear it. Let's hear your injustice stories and see how you overcame them. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.